Hey folks, welcome to Bullets and Brass. I apologize for the handheld camera here. My tripod is in the car and this is real short and quick, so I didn't feel like going to get it. Let me see if I can get that a little steadier. Okay, so short version, I had a whole bunch of video I shot at the range and I was going to do a video comparing the explosion on water bottles between some pistol rounds and go back to older footage and compare with that and so on and so forth. And the slow motion basically failed. It sucked. So I'm going to show you what I got, but a lot of slow motion in this is actually done post-processing. So it's not real slow-mo. There's not extra frames. I'm just slowing it down. So there's no extra data. But it was interesting. I expected a much bigger effect from 9mm hollow points. It's just Winchester white box, standard jacketed hollow points. It's nothing special. It's not defensive ammo, really. I mean, they market it that way, but it's pretty generic. But I expected more. They are not, carbonated bottles. They're just standard water, even though it's in 2-liter soda bottles. I just was expecting more. I'm gonna have to do this again. Those had been sitting around a long time. They were not they weren't tight. They were kind of soft in terms of the bottle itself. But so were the little water bottles I did in prior tests. Those were not, filled tight with air or anything, where they felt pressurized. So we will see, but was definitely not impressed. For giggles, I'm going to include footage of shooting the bigger water bottles with a rifle, because I think that is, people confuse the power of a handgun. They think they're powerful. A weak rifle makes a powerful handgun look pathetic in most cases. I mean, unless you're talking really weak rifle, really powerful handgun, it's a huge, huge jump. So, anyway, let's get into it. Here we go. Say hi. Oof. Oof. Oof.